Yeah, that's snow outside. What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. This right here is my 3-car garage. We recently insulated and relit this entire place, as you saw in a previous video, and this place is awesome. I recently picked up the stump grinder with a blown up engine that needs to be engine rebuilt, and then I kind of realized, well, not really realized, but kind of discovered that this place gets incredibly cold out here in the wintertime. It's currently like 25 degrees outside, 30-ish degrees, and it's cold in here. So, yesterday, I borrowed my neighbor's Remington 75,000 BTU little diesel forced air heater and stuck this thing by the door with the door open a little bit. This place heated up to a comfortable temperature in right around 10 minutes, which is great. I mean, it was awesome. But I thought, well, if we're going to get a heater of our own, we should probably go in that's a little bit bigger than the 75,000 BTU one, so it heats this place up a little bit faster and it's a little more easy on it and less fuel being burned. So, this morning we went to TSC and picked up the master 80,000 BTU diesel powered heater. So, in today's video, we are going to be unboxing this thing, setting it all up, and trying it out and seeing how well it warms up this entire garage. So let's get into it. I see a heater. Alright, so in the box, as you can see, we have the heater nicely nestled between the styrofoam. We have the hardware bag over here. Here's to be caught. We'll pull that out of there. There we go. So in this bag, looks like there's a handle. There's a couple feet, maybe, not really sure. Looks like an extra fuse and the mounting screws and the instruction manual. So, unlike other times, I'm actually going to read this instruction manual and see if I can figure out how the best way to ventilate this thing, because nobody's really giving me a clear answer of how to ventilate it. So, I'll be reading this later. And then, we will just, let's see. Very difficult here, actually. Oh my. One styrofoam off. Another styrofoam off. Okay. It's shiny. Alright. And now, as you can see, we have my thermostat right here, on and off switch. This looks exactly like my neighbor's heater, except a tiny bit bigger, which makes sense. You have a nice glowing disc in the front there when it's running. So yeah, I like it. Let's go ahead and assemble all the hardware on this thing. Read the instruction manual and assemble all the hardware. Alright guys, you got the handle all installed on top of this heater. Read most of the instruction manual, figured out there's very little to actually showing how to assemble anything. There's nothing about how to assemble anything. Because I did find out that these two pieces right here are an extension cord holder. Still didn't figure out where they went, but that's what I found out that they were extension cord holders. So, we'll be leaving these off because cord is super short, and I always have an extension cord somewhere else, so we'll never need the holder. Came with extra fuse, so they gave me instructions on how to tear the thing apart and replace the fuse if I need to. So yeah, other than that, let's go ahead and take this in the floor, put number 2 diesel fuel in it. I'll then plug it in and fire it up. So let's do it. Alright, so now I'm going to set this out here. So, if something blows up, it's out there and not in the garage. I'll grab my extension cord right here. Set the thermostat to like 50. Plug this thing in. And flip the switch. Alright, so now I'm going to go ahead and move the thing inside and pull the door down a little bit so that we still have ventilation but not, letting all our heat out. So. Alright guys, this place is already getting a lot warmer in here, just for a couple minutes that thing's been running. So yeah, I'll let you guys know in an update video in a couple months how that thing is working. After a few months of running, I'll be using it probably almost every day, wrenching out stuff out here in the garage. So yeah, until next time, that thing is awesome. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe and like this video, and I will see you next time. It's so funny looking.